Hey everyone! Looking for the best built-in cooktop for your home to make cooking sleek, efficient, and stylish? You've landed in the right place. We've done the research to bring you the top-performing built-in cooktops of the year, considering heat control, energy efficiency, design, durability, and ease of cleaning. Make sure to check the description for the latest deals and product links. And remember, this list is in no particular order, so watch till the end to find the perfect fit for your kitchen. Let's get started, starting with number 5 on our list. Number 5. Carrera 2-Burner Electric Cooktop. The Carrera 24-inch electric cooktop is a sleek and versatile 2-burner stove designed for efficient cooking in compact spaces. With a horizontal layout and radiant heating elements, it offers ample room to prepare multiple dishes simultaneously. Operating on 110V with a total power of 2000 W, it features intelligent dynamic power distribution, automatically balancing output between burners for safe and effective heating. This cooktop supports both built-in and countertop installation, making it ideal for small apartments, outdoor setups, or as an extra cooking station during large gatherings. Its sensor touch controls and 8 cooking functions, including melt, simmer, steam, boil, roast, stir-fry, and fast heat, allow precise temperature adjustments with a simple tap. A built-in timer, up to 240 minutes, and safety lock provide added convenience and protection, especially for households with children or pets. Number 4. Vever Built-in Electric Cooktop. Introducing the Vever 4-Burner Electric Cooktop, a sleek, high-powered solution for modern kitchens. With 4 independent cooking zones and a total output of 7200 W, this radiant cooktop delivers efficient, simultaneous cooking for busy households or culinary enthusiasts. Its glass ceramic surface is not only stylish but also heat-resistant and easy to clean. The digital sensor touch controls offer 9 precise heating levels and a 1 to 99-minute timer, making it easy to switch from simmering to boiling with just a tap. Compatible with all types of cookware, including aluminum, copper, and cast iron, it's as versatile as it is powerful. Safety features like child lock, overheat protection, auto shutoff, and residual heat indicators ensure peace of mind during use and cleanup. Designed for built-in installation, it fits seamlessly into your countertop, saving space while elevating your cooking experience. Whether you're preparing a quick meal or hosting a feast, Vever makes it effortless. Number 3. Jessier 2-Burner Electric Cooktop. The Jessier 12-inch electric cooktop is a compact and user-friendly solution for everyday cooking. Designed for 110, 120V plug-and-play use, it features 2 radiant burners, 1400 W and 600 W, ideal for fast heating and gentle warming. Its knob control system makes operations simple and intuitive, especially for seniors or those who prefer tactile feedback over touch panels. The tempered glass ceramic surface is both stylish and durable, with built-in safety features like automatic shutoff, hot surface indicators, and overheat protection. Whether used as a drop-in or countertop unit, its flexible installation suits small kitchens, RVs, or temporary setups. Compatible with a wide range of cookware materials, including glass, ceramic, and stainless steel, it offers versatility without electromagnetic interference. With its minimalist design and essential features, the Jessier cooktop is perfect for those who value simplicity, safety, and portability in their kitchen appliances. Number 2. Empava Double Induction Cooktop. The Empava 2-Burner Induction Cooktop is a compact yet powerful solution for modern kitchens, RVs, or small apartments. With 1,800 watts of total output and 18 temperature levels ranging from 120 degrees Fahrenheit to 460 degrees Fahrenheit, it offers precise control for everything from simmering to fast boiling. Its sleek ceramic glass surface is paired with intuitive touch controls, including a timer, pause function, and preset modes for melt, keep warm, and simmer. Safety features like automatic shutoff and a child lock ensure peace of mind during use. Designed for flexibility, this cooktop can be installed as a built-in unit or used as a portable countertop appliance. Whether you're cooking daily meals or experimenting with gourmet recipes, Empava delivers consistent performance, style, and safety in a space-saving design. Number 1. Carrera 12-inch Electric Cooktop. The Carrera 2-zone electric cooktop is a compact, efficient solution for modern kitchens. With 2 independent radiant heating zones and 9 adjustable power levels, it's perfect for multitasking, from simmering and steaming to frying and roasting. Designed for 220, 240V hardwired installation, it delivers consistent heat comparable to gas stoves. The knob control interface is intuitive and especially user-friendly for seniors or those who prefer tactile feedback over touch screens. Safety features include a residual heat indicator and automatic shutoff to prevent overheating, making it ideal for families. Its ceramic glass surface is compatible with all cookware types, aluminum, cast iron, stainless steel, and more, and cleans easily with a simple wipe. Whether you're prepping holiday meals or daily dinners, this 12-inch cooktop offers reliable performance in a sleek, space-saving design. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay connected.